Hey guys, it's Scott with RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to touch base on checking carbon monoxide detectors, smoke detectors, and a couple other things that go along with them. So we're in a coach right now that has a carbon monoxide LP detector all in one. As you can see here, it's got a green light on it letting us know that it does have power. It does have a button right above it that you can push to make a sound, to test it, to check things out. You do want to try that out every few minutes, or every few months, I'm sorry, just to make sure everything's working properly. These things are also very sensitive to aerosol cans, so if you use hairspray or anything like that in the coach, that can also set that off. But anytime this goes off, you do definitely want to make sure that you're checking out all your LP connections, making sure you turn off your propane tanks, anything like that, making sure you're opening up windows, getting out of the coach, because you never know if it's really an alarm or if it's just something faulty. But every now and then, the button above it, just give it a push, hold it for a few seconds, it'll alert itself and let you know it's going off and working properly. Every trailer should also have a smoke detector, which we have on the ceiling. These are household style smoke detectors. They have a 9-volt battery in them. Same kind of deal that you would do at your house, unless it's a hardwired one. But hold the button, listen for the audio sound, making sure that's working like it's supposed to. It should chirp at you when the battery is dying. Now, a few things that we want to touch base on with the LP detector, primarily, and also one other appliance in the coach, is that they are hardwired to the coach. So if you are parking this trailer and not using it, it's not going to be plugged in for a while. These are going to pull power. So the LP detector, and behind us here is a radio on the wall. Those two things will always pull power from your battery. So if this trailer is parked, not plugged in, but everything else is off, these two things will always have power. So if you have a battery disconnect like this one does, turn your battery disconnect off. If you don't have one of those, it's not a bad idea to unhook your battery to preserve the life of that battery. Now, if you can, plug it in. Even if it's with a regular household 110 outlet, it'll maintain that battery charge, keep everything good to go. But these things pull power from the batteries and let you know that, hey, when I'm dying, my LP detector will actually start chirping at me to say, hey, my battery's about dead, which is the coach battery. And so if you ever hear that, you're wondering why it's going off, you could just have a low battery on the coach. But those things just keep in mind to check every now and then. Also, if you're storing it, it's a good idea just to kill the battery or disconnect it if you can. Hey, thanks for watching. If you guys got any more questions or things you want to see, just let us know. Always like and subscribe. You can always give us a call at 877-877-4494. Thanks.